Mga kababayan, gusto ko lang po sana na mapanood ninyo ang isang interview ni lead prosecutor Jill Jervil Luistro no, ng House of Representatives in as far as the impeachment against Vice President Inday Sara Duterte is concerned.
Kaya nyo bang patunayan na may kinuha talaga siyang assassin? Wait, this is not a criminal case, no? What we are testing here is whether or not the impeachable official continues to possess the fitness
Mm.
to be able to serve as such and to be able to run to any public office in the future.
Sa interview po na ito, sinasabi po ni Luistro na in as far as the quantum of evidence is concerned daw, dapat hindi daw the same level ng what is required sa isang criminal proceeding. So, yun po ang in-indicate niya na this is an impeachment. This is not a criminal proceeding. Pero let's hear what the late Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago has to say.
The Constitution provides that in all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved. The burden of proof is on the prosecution. How much proof is necessary? In other words, what is the standard of proof? I have adopted the very high standard of overwhelming preponderance of evidence pursuant to the recommendation of Professor Charles Black of Yale University, author of The Impeachment, considered the Bible for the whole world on impeachment process in a democracy. My standard is very high because removal by conviction on impeachment is a stunning penalty, the ruin of a life.
Oh, ayan ha, sinabi na ni the late brilliant Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago, also very amazing performance or judgment niya doon sa impeachment ni late Chief Justice Corona na she adopted the overwhelming preponderance of evidence as a recommendation of Professor Charles Black, the author of the impeachment na considered the Bible. So this should be the basis also of all senator judges, particularly right now, that you are trying to remove a sitting public official who in Philippine history received the overwhelming electoral mandate of more than 32 million. And Luistro, you want the senator judges not to ask the level of evidence to support your allegation in the same way that a criminal proceeding is asking? Hindi pwedeng ganon. Dapat lang na bigyan ninyo ng overwhelming preponderance of evidence yung mga aligasyon ninyo. Hindi pwede na kasi gusto nyo lang i-remove ang tao kasi yun siguro ang sugo sa inyo ng inyong political party chairman or sino ba yung Poncio Pilatong yan na i-remove yan because clearly sinabi mo din you are just merely testing the fitness of this person to hold the very office she represent. In this case, the vice presidency is basically represented by the will of the people, an overwhelming majority who voted her to serve as the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. So hindi pwedeng pa-jema-jema ka lang. This is also a direct communication that needs to be communicated to all senator judges to listen to what the late Senator Judge, the brilliant Miriam Defensor Santiago has to say. So yun lamang po. Sana wag po nating ipilit ang mga aligasyon kung wala naman talaga itong ebidensya. At kung meron man, it needs to reach the threshold of an overwhelming preponderance of evidence. Pero what is clear now that what the prosecution is doing is basically ensuring that Vice President Sara Duterte will not be able to run in the 2028 elections. And nanggaling yan mismo sa bibig mo, Luistro, so you cannot deny that. So, hindi naman pala for accountability ang gusto ninyong ipalabas or gawin in as far as prosecuting or impeaching Vice President Sara Duterte is concerned. This is clearly a political theatrics. So wag na kayong magmaang-maangan. Sinabi na mismo ni Luistro, ang lead prosecutor ng House. So, sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, tayo po ang maging judge sa ginagawa nila at the expense of the Filipino taxpayers. So let's all wake up. Kasi tayo ang kawawa dito.